For IIT JEE and NEET, in this question, we have to find out the electric field at this center of hexagon. As we know, the hexagon is having equal sides, that is equal to A, and we have charges at the vertices of the hexagon, that is equal to Q. So electric field at this center, due to this charge will be in this direction, and due to this charge this will be in this direction. So electric field due to this charge and this charge will cancel out each other. Similarly, electric field due to this charge will be in this direction, and electric field due to this charge will be in this direction. So this will also cancel this. Now electric field due to this charge will be in this direction, and electric field due to this charge will be in this direction. So electric field at the center of this hexagon will be 0, because all the charges will cancel in opposite direction electric field of each other. So electric field at the center of this hexagon will be 0, like this. So electric field at center we have written here EC is equal to 0, because all the electric field vectors are passing through the center, and if they are added in cyclic order, they will form a closed loop, and if the vectors are forming a closed loop, then resultant of all the vectors will be 0. So this is the reason that electric field at the center of this hexagon due to equal charges at the vertices is equal to 0. Now we are interested to find out the potential at the center of this hexagon. So as we know, potential is scalar quantity. So we will remove this direction. So potential due to all these charges at the center will be scalar sum of the voltage of one charge at the center. So second charge will also be added in scalarly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 charges, and the distance from this charge at the of the center is equal to A, because this is also A, this is also A, because this is hexagon. So this triangle is equilateral triangle. So distance from this charge of this center will be equal to A. So potential at the center of this hexagon will be Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A into 6, means it will be 6 times of potential of one charge at this center. So potential, as you know, it is scalar. So this is the reason that all the charges are giving potential at the center in addition. So this is equal to 6 times Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. Now we are interested to find out potential energy of this system. So to find out potential energy of this system, we have to find out the all pairs. So for potential energy of this system, we have to find out the maximum number of pairs. So first this one be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So along the sides, the charges are at the distance A, and they are making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. So potential energy of these 6 pairs will be equal to Q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A into 6, means 6 Q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. Now another pair will be like this. So these charges are diagonally in this direction. So they are forming this pair, and this is also one pair. So we have 3 pairs along this and this distance is A. This is A, this is also A. So distance between these two charges or these charges is equal to 2A. So potential energy of this 1, 2 and 3 pair will be 3q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 2A, because this distance is 2A, this is also 2A and this is also 2A. Now there are another 6 pairs. So they are like this. So to find out another 6 pairs, we have to make these combination. So here we are having one pair, this is second pair, and this is third pair, and this is fourth pair, and this is fifth pair, and this is sixth pair. So we are having 6 pairs like this, and distance between any these two charges along this will be A root 3. This distance from here to here will be A root 3. So potential energy of these 6 pairs will be 6q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A root 3. So total potential energy of this hexagonal system, which is having equal charges at their vertices, is like this, and this is equal to total potential energy of this system equal to 6q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A plus 3q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2A plus 6q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A root 3. So I expect that all of you are getting very well explanation for this hexagonal combination of charges. So potential energy at center will be 6q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. Electric field at the center will be 0. Potential energy of this whole system will be like this. So meeting in next video. Till then, thank you.